Ooh, my fields are gorgeous. I think this farming life might just be my thing. Wow. Oh, I better change into some more comfortable shoes. That's better. No, stop! I think I'll stick with Family Island. Family Island. Live the farm life without leaving your home.
Perhaps I can test the fruits of my training.
You might not make it through this one. Shall we begin?
Now then, who wants to be the first to die?
Let the bout begin. My thanks. What do you think you're doing?
That'll do it.
Accept your fate!
The blood flow!
Prepare yourself!
The blood flow!
Let's go!
Prepare yourself! Accept your fate!
A step ahead! As if we could be...
Yes. These...
Well...
King Jade,
Good to...
I now understand why you knew she would...
That was a possible... Having said that...
Then likely...
Indeed.
Which means...
I just gave the order.
Ah,
Let us teach Ovis that they are...